It's a beautiful Wednesday morning here as we bring you live coverage from the School of Graduate Studies at the University of Cape Coast, where we'll be covering the 12th roll call ceremony, where students from the Faculty of Law, that's first years, will be inducted. This commences their journey onto the legal fraternity. We'll bring you all the interviews, the behind the scenes and updates. Stick and stay with us. My name is Onesifere Sobubi, and remember to subscribe, hit the notification button, and of course, share when the content is due. A very successful and a very wonderful event here. It's the 12th roll call ceremony here at the School of Graduate Studies for the Faculty of Law, and we'll be speaking with some of the award winners, also with some of the students to find out their excitement being inducted, and this marks their road to the legal fraternity or into the legal industry. And so I'll begin with my very good friend here. My name is Obi, and I'd like you to turn and talk to the camera.
I'm Benjamin. Benjamin.
Benjamin, I know your face, everything looks so excited, so animated. I mean, what does this day mean to you?
Honestly, it means a lot. I've been expecting to encounter this day because it's going to mark a great historical day in my life. Yeah. So my expectations and everything were met, and I look so much forward to coming out meaningful and getting on the dean's list one day.
Someone has said there are a lot of options. You could have ventured into football, ventured into anything creative. Why did you decide to enter into law?
Okay, like they said, it's pays. Yeah. And I'm very passionate about it too. So, yeah.
Moving forward, what will you say to other colleagues, and what is your expectation as you make the stride into the legal business?
Okay, so we've heard countless times that many people talk about how hectic and tedious law is. But then I believe that with hard work and determination, everything could be sorted out. And we should also remember the God factor in everything that we do. So that would be my one advice to any law students or any incoming law students to the UCC Faculty of Law. Yeah.
So I've got a very good friend of mine here, Victor Etuahene Frimpong. I just met him here. I think he's a ceiling breaker. He's a person, let me not just talk much. Yes, he can do that for himself. Victor, it's an excitement seeing you here.
It's a pleasure to hear seeing you also here and also being part of the faculty.
Congratulations. Walk us through. What has been the motivation all this while to pursue law?
Okay, so when I was a child, my wish was to become one of the scientists that you could talk about. But unfortunately, my situation occurred and I felt everything was damn finished. So I got the inspiration from someone and then started schooling again. So my first degree, I actually did it here in UCC here. That was 2023. Before that, I had the initiative or the motivation of reading law, but due to financial challenges and one or two stuff, I have to divert and read other program. So after completing, I felt, no, that is my passion that I've been wanting. So let me just continue on with that. That is why I venture into this program.
I know many challenges you face. Amongst them, which one really gets to you, and how have you managed to maneuver that one till now? You are in your second or third year, I guess.
Second year.
Second year, okay.
Yes. Yes. So yes, the challenges I normally face is, especially when you've been tasked to read some materials and stuff. And actually, I'm indebted to the laptop. So if the laptop just mess up, then everything seems to mess up for me. So that has been the ultimate challenge, and also navigation sometimes becomes a bit of a challenge, but it's part of it, so it's normal.
With the event of AI, technology, and all that, I mean, do you think that's in any way it gives you some sort of respite, knowing what you are going through?
I would say yes, because in my first degree, which I had here, I was using a bit of AI, even though I was not much abreast of it. But when I got hold to that, I started using it, and I think that it was a kind of a way of showing us the way to learn or to make learning very easier. So pursuing this program, I think that resorting to the AI sometimes will be much of important. It has come to stay, just that, like the chair said, it should be responsive when using it. So we should take that also into consideration, and we shouldn't hold on to it hook, line, and sinker.
Congratulations, first of all. I'm here to find out if you're a first year student or you're an award winner, an alumni. What's your status in this environment?
Yeah, so my name is Ruben Kwame Kankranti, level 400, and I'm the PRO for the Law Students Union. This is my fourth ROCO ceremony. I didn't get an award this year, but it's an excellent moment, we can say. And I congratulate all those that have won the awards. I congratulate the freshers. This is a journey of life that will expose them to a lot of things. So they should embrace all challenges, progress, and everything that comes in. I must say they are so lucky to be here. Out of the numerous applications, a few of them were selected. It's a grace of God, and they need to work hard to keep that spirit.
Now, generally speaking, for a first year who has just been inducted, what should a person expect?
Yeah, I say the law school. For my principle, my principle is that it's not difficult, but it's not easy. It's not difficult, but it's not easy. The study of the law is not easy at all, and everybody should stand by it. It's not going to be easy, and the journey is going to be tough. I always make this analogy with the study of law. It's like palm wine. It gets hardens day by. So you want to be the best law student, you want to be the best in the law, you should study every day and all the time. And you will get hardened and get wealth with the law.
Now, finally, what is the LSU? What package does the Law Students Union have for our fresh inductees?
Yes, so the Law Students Union generally is, we get firstly to interact with the students. The student interacts more with us than the senior members of the faculty. So one, we expose them to the realities of the law studies. We help them in brief cases, we organize tutorial sessions for them, and also aside studying the law, we make time for enjoyment. We make time for refreshment. We make time for people to chill, to release their stress. So LSU does a lot. In fact, when it comes to the study aspect, the entertainment aspect, and everything aspect. We learn some core skills outside that. LSU gives you the opportunity to learn all those things.
All right, thank you so much for making time to talk to us on TV UCC. I have another friend of mine here, first year, second year, third year. It's very difficult to tell, but a smile could make me guess. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
What's the feeling like? I mean, today being such a momentous day for you.
Okay, so I'm in level 300, so I'm not part of those who are initiated. But I can tell you that it's a very honorable program, because it is a program that will tell you, if you're a fresher, that this is what you have to do. There is more ahead of you, the sacrifices you have to make. In fact, it entails a lot, okay? So today is a very special day for all law students in the UCC law.
You've mentioned sacrifice, you've mentioned journey. Share with us personally, What has your journey been like?
Very difficult. The sleepless nights. In fact, the volume of materials you have to read is a lot. A lot of cases you have to comprehend before you get to the examination hall. And even quizzes, it entails a lot. So that's the sacrifice you have to make. Sometimes you have to skip social gatherings, like even calls you cannot pick. You cannot reply messages online, WhatsApp. You just don't have time. I'm telling you, if you really want to make it, you just don't have the time for friends or social activities. Unless you plan like effectively, you get, that's you can accommodate.
Well, I was thinking of trying to get you close to me, but since you are saying I won't get time,
You can still try.
I can still try. All right, so I'll give it a shot right after here. Congratulations. I saw you win an award. First, tell us about the award and a bit about yourself.
Okay, so please, I'm Anmensa Edu. Yeah, I'm Anmensa Edu, and then the award I was given was for magna cum laude for being part of the second class upper people.
What does that mean to you? I mean, personally, what did you put in to reach that pedestal?
Oh, I put in a lot of effort, so
It's something dear to your
yeah,
heart.
something dear to my heart. Yeah.
What advice would you have for your fresh inductees? What will you tell them? What should they do in order to achieve the success that they want to achieve?
It's really not easy, and sometimes the input does not match the output. But then I will encourage everyone to try, even though sometimes you learn so hard and then the results come and they don't match your expectation. But you cannot also leave prayer out, because it's not by our efforts, it's really by the grace of God, because many have studied and still did not make it here.
It's a wonderful time with you, and we wish you all the best in this journey. Okay, so yes, she's smiling. Congrats.
Thank you.
I mean, today is such a big day for you. I mean, tell us about it. How is the feeling now?
Well, it's nice being inaugurated into such a beautiful ceremony, especially law, because it's something special that everyone would want to dream of having. So obviously, I'm excited to have been part of this program.
Now, on this journey, are there some challenges you perceive you'd experience, and what do you think you can put in place in order to navigate it?
Oh yes, there would be a lot of challenges that will come, and that's why, as the professor said, you should be mentally prepared for anything that will come, because law is not for the weak. You need to be mentally fit. You need to be physically fit, especially spiritually fit, because it's not something easy to go in for. And in terms of preparations I've put in place, generally group discussions, using the legal aid apps, and then consulting those that have been through that phase would be what I would use. Yeah.
Your final comment and to your other colleagues.
Well, to my colleagues, I want to tell you that you should prepare yourself mentally for anything that will come. You should be spiritually fit and ready for any battle. And most importantly, connect with everyone, because you never know where you meet someone someday.
All right, so most importantly, connect, and we are still connecting with very beautiful souls. Have such a beautiful smile.
Thank you.
I wish I could mimic you.
I can teach you.
You can teach me. I hope I wouldn't pay more for that.
No, it's free.
It's free,
Yes.
pro bono.
Yes, please.
Anyway, I mean, tell us a bit about yourself, and then just walk us through how life on campus as a law student has been for you.
Okay, so I'm Nanaba Tennis in a level 300 law student. So the law hasn't been that easy, but then we are still in it, and then we hope for the best.
So far, what has been the most difficult aspect of your life on campus? Managing yourself, social life, religious life, and all that. Which of these has been very difficult for you?
You see, the study of the law is difficult. So balancing it with, and then I had opportunities to also serve as in church. So balancing it with meetings and evening church services, it hasn't been easy, but then I'm still trying to find how to balance myself. And then with everything and with the help of God, I hope that everything is going to be fine, but then it has not been easy.
But sometimes do you feel, especially with the church, you could put it aside a bit so you can concentrate fully on the schooling?
Yeah, sometimes I really convince myself that, okay, today let me not go to church, but then it's also important. In everything, God first. So we have to combine it with the school because without the grace of God, nothing is possible. So you have to add that one too.
All right, thank you so much for making time to talk to us. We'll link up with you, and then I'm praying that in the next few years I could say you are my lawyer. Because as an entertainer, as someone within the creative art industry, I need a lawyer. So maybe you could be my personal lawyer. Yes. Yes. So come. It's your day. It's your day. It's your day. It's your day, and your smile tells it all. Congratulations.
Please, thank you.
So look into the camera. I mean, tell us what's going on in your head right now.
Like, right now, I'm just feeling nervous. Like, I don't know. I wasn't expecting this.
But why your decision to study law? You could have done fashion, anything creative, but law.
I want to read law so that I can help the vulnerable in the society. Yes,
Advocacy.
yes, for the, um, yes, for the poor. Yes.
But it's your day. You shouldn't be
Like,
nervous.
I didn't expect this. That's
You
why.
didn't expect
Yes.
it anyway. So, on this beautiful note and this beautiful smile, I find myself sandwiched. This is not sandwich, really close to a very special and pretty lady. This is where we end our coverage of the 12th roll call ceremony of the Faculty of Law here at the University of Cape Coast. Of course, it went on at the School of Graduate Studies. My name is Onesifere Sobobi. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, TV UCC. Hit the notification button so that anytime we bring you any video, you're the first person to get access to it. See you in our next batch of videos.